Plenty of housing options, great schools, job opportunities, and so many more reasons you'll want to call Chandler your new home. With over 60 parks, low crime, and a grade A school district, these are just few of the many reasons that over 300,000 Valley residents call Chandler home. In 2017, Chandler was rated the 5th safest city to raise a family and was awarded the best place to find a job, with Intel leading the pack. Home sale prices have increased 7% since last year, averaging around $300,000, and Chandler only has 15% land left to build on. Chandler has a home for everyone, from waterfront properties, affordable townhomes, to horse ranches, and we love Chandler and are happy to help you find your perfect place to call home in Chandler, Arizona. Please reach out to us to learn more about Chandler or to schedule a tour today.